Let's make some end of the year beans. I'm going to start with a huge iron kettle, about 8 quarts. I'm going to brown my garlic and onions slowly and deglaze with tequila, because that's what I like. I'm going to let it steam off, and then I'm going to add some corn flour to create a roux in the bottom of the pan. I'm also adding at this point some tomatoes, and I'm going to add the beans now, Great Northerns I'm using, and also bay leaves and any other seasoning, black pepper that I want to add. Here comes the ham. Don't skimp on the ham. Use a big piece because you're going to serve it out later after it steams off and renders all its flavors into the beans. Let it cook for a good 2 or 3 hours on slow heat. Doesn't really matter. And here we go. Serve it up like this with vegetables and potatoes, and it makes a wonderful holiday meal. Enjoy.